everyone, this is Rich again for another edition of Learning with Rich. So for today's topic, this is a continuation of my previous exercise wherein we have learned how to place lighting fixtures. Now for us to be able to turn it on and turn it off, turn on, turn off. So I'm going to teach you how to place lighting switches in this exercise. Alright, so let's get started. So I'm gonna open my level 1 lighting. So level 1 lighting here. So this exercise is something that I have learned from Mr. Eric Wing. He is a very good, excellent teacher in Revit. Okay. So I'm going to place some of the switches somewhere here, but as you can see, the pattern of my floor here is making my view a little bit obscured. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the face here. Okay, that is actually the link model. So this highlighted is the link model. So I'm just going to hide it so that I can have a clear picture of the floor plan. Okay, so after I select the link model, I'm going to go ahead, right click, hide in view elements. Okay. Oh, wait. So that is not the one that I'm going to hide. So I'll go ahead, make sure the select elements by place is selected. I move my pointer here and then I press tab. Okay, as you can see, it highlights now the face. So I'm going to click, right click, and hide in view elements. Alright. So this is now my view. So I'm going to place now my lighting switches. So previously, I have opened the ceiling plan to place my lighting fixture. So this time I am now at the floor plan. Alright, so I'm going to place the switches. So from the Systems tab, I'm going to select here the device drop down. And then there's the lighting. Okay, and then from the properties, what I'm going to select here is the lighting switches. The type is door, so I'll go ahead and select this one. Okay, so our lighting device can be placed on your wall. Okay, so that's why make sure place on vertical face is selected because we are going to place our lighting fixture on our wall. Okay, on a vertical face. Okay, so I'm going to place it somewhere here. Okay, there you go, and then I'm going to select here modify. Take note that if I want to remove here the tag, the DR, the label, so I can just simply select the family and then I can select edit type here. So if I want to remove, I will just delete this one. So for example, I'm going to delete that. Okay, so you will notice it will disappear. Then I'll just click outside, right? But I'm not going to remove that. So I want that indication, which is DR. Then okay. So this is my first switch. So let's say I'm going to go ahead and place one here also. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the lighting switch and then right click create similar. So it's one way of copying your lighting switch or one way of creating it again. So aside from going to the Systems tab and then looking for switch again. So I can just use the create similar. So I select create similar. Okay, then after that, I'm going to place it here. Okay. And I'm go ahead and place another one here. Alright. So take note that you can also modify the elevation of your lighting switch if you want. Okay, you can just modify from there. Okay, where else? Okay, so here, so I only have one lighting fixture here. So what I'm going to do is, let me just place another one here. Wait. Okay, so I'm gonna squeeze in here. Okay, and then after that, I select modify. So I'm gonna open my level 1 ceiling plan. So I'm going to move this one. So I'm gonna select this and then I'm going to move. So let's say I'll place it here. And then after that, I'm going to copy. So I'm going to copy. There you go. And then after that, I'm going to select both the lighting fixture and then I'm going to copy it. So maybe let me just move it somewhere here. Okay. And then after that, I copy. Okay. So that I have 4 lighting fixture. Okay. There you go. So that's how you place your lighting switch. So if I'm going to modify this family, I select edit family. So this is how it looks like. See? Okay, it's a face base. Actually, it is a face base, or you can also use place on vertical face here. And then if I go to the 3D view, to the level, reference level. So as you can see, this is the label. Okay, so this is the symbol. So this is another family. So this is a family inserted in the family. So how did I know that this is a family? Because after I select it, so you can see it's the edit. You can see the edit family. So meaning to say this is also another family inserted in the family. Okay. Right. So going back to my project, this one. Okay. So that's how you place your lighting fixture. Okay, so on my next exercise, I'm going to teach you how to create a lighting circuit. So hopefully this has been helpful on your side. So if you have any comments, suggestions, or questions, you can put it on the comment section below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Okay, so once again, thank you for watching and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you and bye-bye.